Going to read the English newspaper, and you should also try to read a lot of newspaper if you have a time. I'm going to study. Aap will be kingmaker in Haryana, Kejriwal. The Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal announced his party will emerge as the kingmaker in Haryana after the October 5 assembly polls, and no government will be formed in Haryana without AAP's support. Kejriwal addressed a gathering during a roadshow in Jagdhari held in support of the party's candidate Adarsh Pal Gujjar as the party launched the campaign with a tagline बदलेंगे हरियाणा का हाल अब लाएंगे केजरीवाल वी विल चेंज हरियाणा's fate and bring Kejriwal's statement being observed as an indication of a post-poll alliance with the Congress, as both the parties have failed to forge an alliance after failure of talks over seat sharing. In his address, he accused the union government of using the investigative agencies against him, saying they put me in jail on false charges and kept me there for 5 months. They tried everything to break me, even denied me basic facilities and my medication for days. Their aim was to band me, but what they don't know is that I am a Haryanavi. My blood runs with the spirit of Haryana. And they may break anyone, but they can't break a Haryanavi, he added. Kejriwal, who has recently released from jail and stepped down Delhi Chief Minister, vowed that the people of Haryana would take revenge for the injustice done to him. They sent me to jail, but now the people of Haryana will send them out of the state. The entire state is demanding change, and the BJP leaders are not being allowed into villages, he said, confident of AAP's growing influence in Haryana. In his speech, Kejriwal was soft towards the Congress party, as both AAP and Congress were part of the India bloc, taking direct aim at the ruling BJP. Kejriwal accused them of failing the people of Haryana in the last 10 years. What has the BJP given you? Corruption. Unemployment, inflation, and drug addiction for your children, he said. Kejriwal also criticized Kunwar Pal Gujjar, the former education minister, for running Haryana's education system. Kunwar Pal has destroyed government schools, and the education mafia is ruling Haryana. Private schools are raising fees arbitrarily, engaging in organism because this government is in their pockets, he added, contrasting it with his government's achievement in Delhi. In Delhi, we reformed government schools and put an end to the bullying of private schools. We will do the same in Haryana, he assured the people. They tried to break our government in Delhi and Punjab, but they couldn't buy even a single MLA. That is how honest up is, he alleged. He further stated that he had given the people of Delhi a unique choice. When I was accused of corruption, I told the people of Delhi, if you think I am a thief, don't vote for me. But if you believe I am honest, then vote for me. I don't think any leader has ever made such a bold statement, he said. He also alleged the neglect of Jagdhuri. Jagdhuri, once a hub for brass until utensil manufacturing, Kejriwal blamed the BJP for the industry's collapse and the loss of jobs. This time, the people of Haryana are demanding change, and AAP will be the kingmaker. No government in Haryana will be formed without the support of AAP. The first seat we win will be Jagdhari, and from there we will fulfill every promise we have made, he added. Thank you guys for